In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your favorite apps to Google Drive in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful trick if you use tools like Canva, Notion, Slack, Zoom, Adobe, or other productivity apps and want them to work more smoothly with your Drive files. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to give the right permissions safely. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in to the Google account you use for your files. Once you're inside Drive, look up to the top right corner and click the gear icon. This is where Google keeps the main settings for your Drive account. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. Now, inside the Settings window, look at the left side menu and find Manage Apps. Click that and you'll see a list of apps that are already connected to your Google Drive. This page is important because it lets you review what's currently linked to your account and gives you control over adding new integrations. To connect a new app, click Connect More Apps. A new window will open where you can search for the app you want to use. For example, you might search for Canva if you want to open or save design files, Notion if you want to organize documents, Slack if you want to share files faster, Zoom for meeting-related workflows, or Adobe if you work with creative files. In this tutorial, we'll use Canva as the example, but the process is very similar for most supported apps. After you find the app, click Install or Connect, depending on how the option appears. Google Drive may then ask you to sign into the app or confirm which account you want to use. This is normal. It's simply making sure the app is connected to the correct Google account and Drive Workspace. Next comes the permission step. You'll usually see a prompt asking you to allow access. This is the part that lets the app work with your Google Drive files. Read the permission screen carefully so you understand what the app can do. If everything looks correct and it's an app you trust, click Allow to continue. Once you approve the permissions, Google Drive will finish connecting the app. After that, the app can now work with your Drive files based on the access you granted. Depending on the app, you may be able to open files directly from Drive, save files into Drive, attach files to projects, or sync content between platforms, and that's really all there is to it. Open Google Drive, go to Settings, click Manage Apps, choose Connect More Apps, search for the app you want, and then install it and allow the permissions. It only takes a minute, but it can save you a lot of time if you use Drive regularly with other tools. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides on Google tools, apps, and productivity software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.